In this video, we will learn how to use Neat Video in Davinci Resolve. First, make sure you have the Neat Video plugin installed. You can download it from the Neat Video website and follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Then, open Davinci Resolve and load your project. Next, go to the Color tab, then find the EAC library. Look for the Neat Video under the Refused Noise category and track it into your notes. Now, choose a frame in your video that has a lot of noise, but also featureless areas. Click the Prepare Noise Filter button to analyze the noise and create a profile. Now, go to the Performance tab to optimize the settings for your hardware. Then, go back to Reduce the Noise node and rest the filter thing. The Reduce Noise node to your clip and preview the results. Find you in your settings is necessary to achieve your desired noise reduction. Once you're satisfied with the noise reduction, you can render your video as usual. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.